This here is a Hermes 3000 typewriter made in Switzerland and has been fitted with a blue-purple ribbon. So beautiful machine, very easy to kind of use. The buttons are very nice and soft. Setting the margins is a little tricky on this machine. It is done with using this push button to move the carriage, and then once you've sort of lined up in the middle with this little prong where you want it to start and stop, then you pull the silver trigger here, and that will lock the margin in. It's one of the things that these machines that can be the most tricky. So to move it outwards now, I would need to push in this button and pull the trigger at the same time while holding this knob, or the knob on the opposite side. And so I'm going to pull the trigger, and that will allow me to move the margin back out to where I want it to go. And now the machine will do a full length pass. So I want to start it there. Same thing on this side. Pull the trigger, and now the machine will stop and start where I want it to. There's also a carriage lock on this machine, which is on this side. It is this silver button here. I can pull it down and have the machine engage the lock, and so now the machine is ready for transportation. When I want to use it again, I pull down on this lever, I pull it out slightly, let go, and now it's back into full use mode. If I want to change the ribbon color between blue and purple, this little button switch here allows me to change between the different colors. If I need to access the ribbon underneath, I can pull the lid from the front. It's on a bit of a hinge, and I pull it towards myself, lift off, and I can see my ribbons here and the mechanism to change the direction that the ribbon spins in. Feeding the paper in. This is for line spacing, single and double. If I need to put the lid back, I'm going to be very careful that I don't scratch. And so I'm just going to fit these prongs, interlock them together, and then push this lid towards the inside so it locks in place. These buttons here are for setting a tab, removing a tab, clearing all tabs, margin release, tab button, backspace button, uppercase, caps lock, caps unlock. Now to put it back in its lid, I'm going to engage the locking mechanism. Now that it's locked in, put the lid over top, lower it down, and it'll click into its position, and it's good to go.